Number 1. Do you have this in different color? Do you have this in different color? Number 2. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Number 3. What is the return policy? What is the return policy? Number 5. Do you have any coupons? Do you have any coupons? Number 5. I need a small size. I need a small size. Number 6. I am looking for a gift for my wife. I am looking for a gift for my wife. Number 7. Do you have any sales going on? Do you have any sales going on? Number 8. I'm not sure what I'm looking for. I am not sure what I am looking for. Number 9. Can you help me find something? Can you help me find something? Number 10. I am on a budget. I am on a budget. Number 11. I need this by tomorrow. I need this by tomorrow. 2. Can you ship this to me? Can you ship this to me? I'm not sure if I want this. I am not sure if I want this. Number 14. Can I think about it? Can I think about it? Number 15. How much is this? How much is this? Number 16. Do you have this in a different size, color? Do you have this in a different size, color? Number 17. Can I try this on? Can I try this on? Number 18. I'm just looking, thanks. I am just looking, thanks. Number 19. Can I pay by card? Can I pay by card? Number 20. Is there a fitting service available? Is there a fitting service available? Number 21. Can I recycle my old electronics here? Can I recycle my old electronics here? Number 22. Do you offer gift cards? Do you offer gift cards? Number 23. Can I pay using my smartphone? Can I pay using my smartphone? Number 24. I need to pick up some fresh vegetables for dinner. I need to pick up some fresh vegetables for dinner. Number 25. Can you grab some eggs and milk while you are at the store? Can you grab some eggs and milk while you are at the store? Number 26. I usually buy organic products when I go food shopping. I usually buy organic products when I go food shopping. I ordered a new laptop online and it should arrive tomorrow. I ordered a new laptop online and it should arrive tomorrow. Number 28. Can you wrap this up as a gift? Can you wrap this up as a gift? Number 39. Can I help you find anything today? Can I help you find anything today? Number 30. This sweater is on sale. It's 50% off. This sweater is on sale. It's 50% off. Number 31. I bought these shoes at a discount. I bought these shoes at a discount. Number 32. I can't resist a good clearance sale. I can't resist a good clearance sale. Number 33. I forgot my wallet. I will be right back. I forgot my wallet. I will be right back. Number 34. I ordered a new laptop online and it should arrive tomorrow. I ordered a new laptop online and it should arrive tomorrow. Number 35. I prefer shopping on Amazon for convenience. I prefer shopping on Amazon for convenience. Number 36. The website was having technical difficulties, so I couldn't complete my order. The website was having technical difficulties, so I couldn't complete my order. Number 37. She only shops for high-end brands. She only shops for high-end brands. Number 38. I like to shop at local markets rather than large supermarkets. I like to shop at local markets rather than large supermarkets. Number 39. Don't forget to get special offer on pasta. Don't forget to get the special offer on pasta.